All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV all-wheel drive model, gray with black interior, premium sound stump steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, roof rack, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Nope, just some grease, some wax or something on there. Let's check out your tire thread, which is just at 530 seconds. Double check that. Yep, just a little over 530 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread, which is just a little bit under 630 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. No dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Is a push start system. I have keys for it. Boom. Does come with one key fob combo. Check out pictures for more details. Got steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues, and your mileage of 31,845. Keeping it moving. Got your all-wheel drive action, your sport, your stuff. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Coming around, your rear bumper looks pretty good. Deck lid looks nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is. Got this little dividers here, which are pretty damn cool. Do have a spare tire here with some tools and such. Coming around this quarter, looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. Tire thread is a little bit over 530 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Coming around, this door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks nice. Here's your front fender. Looks good. And here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Front passenger rim, sorry. And your tire thread is just under 5. Look at it again. Just a couple of lines under 530 seconds. Lights are working. Car looks great. Folks, once again, a 2016 Nissan Rogue. It's the SV all-wheel drive model with 31,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.